Hello. As you know, prelims is fast approaching, and I hope all of you are on your toes and working hard towards that challenge. Prelims, as we know, has become quite a challenge, not only because of the first paper, but also because of the second paper, which is CSAT and aptitude all, and even the comprehension solving. So that has become quite difficult in recent times. The trend has changed quite a lot, and people do need quite assistance in this. And that is why by Margi UPSC MPSC we are providing CSAT crash course. This is going to start on the 9th August, and this is going to be till 23rd August. So that will be the duration of this CSAT crash course. This is very beneficial for students who are appearing for prelims this time, because as you know, many people have been struggling with CSAT, even getting good marks in the first paper, but unable to cross the dreaded 67 mark barrier in the second paper. So this crash course is designed particularly for that, such that you are able to cross this passing mark very comfortably. So in this course we will be practicing logical reasoning development as well as comprehension solving. We will start from the basics and we'll try to go as advanced as possible. This will include 2 tests also, and again we will also be providing basic numeracy skills and various tricks which you can use. What kind of a mentality you can have, that will also be discussed. After this course you will basically be ready to face CSAT this year, and even additional practice you can do, but rest assured in these days will be quite beneficial for you, and it will definitely increase your CSAT scores if you were unable to clear it last time, or even if you are unsure about clearing it this time. Please avail for this course, because all those doubts and worries which you will have will be solved in this course. You can, for additional details, you can contact on these numbers, and of course we will be taking the course as per the current CSAT trends, also breaking various myths about CSAT, such that your worries and your fear of CSAT will be reducing. So with that I end this announcement. I hope you take the benefit of this course. Thank you.